everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well. If you're new here, hi, my name's Kira. I post a bunch of motivational cleaning videos here on my channel, as well as a lot of motherhood content as well. So if that's something that you like and are interested in, I would love for you to consider subscribing to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a nighttime kitchen cleaning routine and after dark clean with me. I wanted to show you guys basically what I do every night before I go to bed to make sure that I wake up to a nice clean kitchen in the morning. And on this particular day, I was doing a bunch of my orders. I know you guys don't know what they are yet because I haven't showed you guys them, but I will definitely show you guys in an upcoming day in the life video. But I started off by putting all those away and then I went ahead and cleaned the kitchen. I'm not going to talk over the rest of this video. I'm going to leave you guys enjoy watching the video and listening to the music. It's just a nice relaxing clean with me. So I hope you guys enjoy the video and I will speak to you guys later on.
Say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh, you got me going, oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, let me love, let me love you. Let me love you. I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. Everything I needed. I never thought I'd meet someone like you. You know you are the reason why I feel like I can fly. Thinking about you day and night. I love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we can set the world on fire. World on fire. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire. I desire. Every time we touch, we can set the world on fire. World on fire.
I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now. I wanna push all the limits with you right now. So watch your feelings, the city's screaming, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. People talk and tell what you wanna hear now, but they all disappear, they will let you down. So we better stick together, let's come whatever. We're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. We only need the two of us together. I need only you in this crazy world. 'Cause we got love, love. I need only you here with me. You wanna get close to me, why don't you do it right now? You know we met for a reason, but you're trying to deny that we should be together. It's heavy weather, we're heading for tonight. You better take what you can, 'cause the time is right now. We only need the two of us. We better stick together, let's come whatever. We're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now.
And that's it for this video, guys. This is everything I do before I go to bed at night to clean the kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye, guys.